This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both consoles and accounts so the session can run without interruptions. Make sure you and your guest are friends, logged into PSN, and have party voice enabled. Once done, switch to wired Ethernet or a strong 5 GHz Wi-Fi to reduce packet loss, and plug in a headset for stable audio. Invite the guest into a party, start Shareplay, and immediately select the correct mode, visitor plays or screen sharing, so the system reserves the session. Once the session is live, actively optimize to keep it going. You should drop resolution to standard or 720p if you see stutters, because lower bitrate reduces packet congestion and prevents disconnects. Close games and apps, pause system updates or downloads, and switch your Ps5 to performance mode to avoid thermal throttling. Also check NAT types on both ends, preferably type 1 or 2, since strict NAT can cause dropped peer connections. These moves stabilize the stream and extend to finish without data loss. Save your game and end Shareplay from the party menu so control returns cleanly. If you get disconnected, immediately verify router UPnP is enabled or set port forwarding for PSN ports, and restart your modem or router to refresh NAT mappings. If home internet fails, try a mobile hotspot or use an Ethernet switch to share a stable wired link. These final steps help preserve progress and give you a single, high-impact troubleshooting tip to fix common disconnects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.